Hey guys, it's Michael here from FlySight. In the next few videos, I want to talk about how to measure high-performance landings using the FlySight. My intent here is to give you some ways to compare one jump to another and to figure out where you might be losing speed. But of course, there's no substitute for a knowledgeable coach. They'll have access to way more information than I do, and they'll be able to tell you how this information translates into changes in your setup, your control inputs, and so on. For the purpose of the next few videos, I'm going to break a high-performance landing into three parts. The first part is the energy building phase. And during this phase, your speed increases, usually because you've just pointed your canopy at the ground. The next phase is the transition phase. And here you're trying to maintain as much of that speed as you can while you transition to horizontal flight. This is your recovery arc. And finally, we have horizontal flight. And that's where the energy that you built in the first phase and maintained in the second phase propels you across the ground. We're going to look at each of these phases separately. First, we'll talk about how to measure how much energy you're building in the first phase. And then we'll talk about how you can lose that energy in the second phase and what you can look for in FlySight Viewer to see where you're losing that energy. And finally, we'll look at a couple of ways that you can measure the final result. This won't be as accurate as laser timing systems, but it will give you something that you can compare from jump to jump. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.